Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a green look for you because I was scrolling down my Instagram feed at Chelseasmakeup if you don't follow me. I was scrolling down my Instagram feed and just looking at colors that I haven't done in a while, and I realized that green has not been a main color ever. So I decided to switch it up, especially with Huda Beauty's new Precious Stones palettes. So if you guys want to see how I created this green cut crease, please keep watching. My eyebrows are done and already cleaned up. Before I start on my shadow, I'm gonna just prime my eyes using Smashbox 24-hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer. I'm just gonna take a bit of that on my finger and just blend that in. And you just want to blend that out until it starts to feel a bit tacky. I'm just gonna set my lid using Huda Beauty's Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in Banana Bread. And I'm just gonna use her Face Bake and Blend brush. For the look I'm about to create, I'm just gonna use tape and put that beside my eyes so the shadow can have a precise line. I'm gonna put it to almost the end of my brow. Now onto the eyeshadow. Today I'm gonna be using Huda Beauty's Emerald Obsessions. And I'm gonna start by blending this gray green into my crease. I'm gonna be using this Anastasia Beverly Hills A5 blending brush for this. I'm gonna start kind of in the middle. And I'm gonna be sweeping it out. And I'm just going to use a clean blending brush, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills A26, just to blend out any lines that might be close to your brow bone. Next, I'm going to cut my crease using Anastasia Beverly Hills Beige Stick Foundation on my Anastasia Beverly Hills A2 flat concealer brush. And I'm going to cut this crease going across in a wing. To get the wing, I'm actually going to go in with this. To get the wing as perfect as possible, I'm going to go in with this Anastasia Beverly Hills A28 eyeliner brush. Next, I'm going to be going into this dark green, this dark metallic green, and I'm going to use that same eyeliner brush that I just used. I'm just going to clean it off, pick up some of that color. They're pretty soft, so it's easy to pick up. And then I'm going to draw a line really close to this line, but leave a little beige gap. And then taking that same color on my concealer brush, I'm just gonna fill it in. And I didn't set the concealer because I want the shadow to set it. It'll end up being more pigmented that way. So wiping off those brushes once again, I'm gonna blend that green into this army green over here. And again, picking that up with my concealer brush. I'm just going to blend these two colors together. And then I'm going to go in with this lighter metallic green right in the inner corner. And I'm going to put this color as well on my inner corner, just to brighten it up a touch. And the last thing I'm going to do is pick up some of this foiled light green over here and put that in the space that I left. And if you're worried about any of the foiled shadow getting out of the line, just take a small smudger brush, and this is the M508. And I'm just going to pick up whatever colors on either side of the line and just smudge it out. For the top, I'm going to take this gray. Super easy, it just kind of falls away. Wipe that off, grab some of that dark green. Now for the reveal. Ah, yes. Yes. Ooh, kill them. Alright, so now for lashes, I'm going to be using Blinking Beauté's number 5. Before I do my under eyes, I'm going to do my face. So I'm going to start with primer, and I'm going to use Too Faced Hangover Primer. So for my foundation today, I'm going to be using Covergirl's True Blend Matte Made Foundation in Warm Honey and Natural Tan. I'm going to mix those two. I'm also going to add a little bit of MAC's Hyper Real Foundation in Gold FX, just for a little bit of glow. So my trick, if you find it difficult to get the foundation around your brows, just take some sort of blending brush. This is the JH08. Take some of that foundation and go in with the brush. It'll make it a little bit more precise without ruining your entire brow. So next I'm going to do some concealer, and I'm going to be using MAC's 24-Hour Smooth Wear Concealer in NC38. Then we're just going to beauty blend this in. And then to set this, I'm going to use that Huda Beauty powder again. So I'm going to set my entire face with this. I'm going to be using this JH01 brush. Super big and fluffy. Next, I'm going to contour my face using Morphe's Highlight and Contour Palette. This is the 8H. And I'm going to be using Debutant. I'm going to use this on my JH03 brush. I'm also going to use this color to contour my nose, and I'm going to be using this on my Sigma E45 tapered brush. So next up is blush, and I'm going to be using the 8W blush palette, and I'm going to go in with Unapologetic. And I'll be using the Sigma F15 brush. It's a little pink from my past blushes. And now I'm just going to be using some highlight, and I'm going to go in with Venus and Big Bang mixed. And I'm going to use this JH06 brush for that. I'm going to use these colors for my nose highlight as well on this Anastasia Beverly Hills A25 brush. And for my Cupid's bow as well. Now for my inner corner and brow bone, I'm going to use a little bit of this bright green. And for my inner corner, I'm just going to go in with my pinky. I'm also just going to place a little bit of the foiled one on top of that. Just to make it a bit whiter green. Then for my brow bone, I'm going to be using this JH39 pencil brush. I'm going to take a mixture of that foiled and yellow. The last thing I'm going to do for the eyes is just do the under eye shadow. So I'm going to be going in with this Morphe S28 smudger brush. And I'm just going to smudge in some of that dark gray green. And then using that Morphe M508 even smaller smudger brush, I'm going to smudge that dark metallic green that we use on the outer wing here onto my bottom lash line. And I'm just going to use that clean fluffy brush to blend those two out. Now for mascara, I'm going to go in with Benefit's Bad Gal Bang as usual. And just darken up those lashes that might have some powder on them. Try not to stab yourself in the eye. And lastly, we're going to do lips. I'm just going to put on a little bit of lip balm. And I'm going to line my lips using MAC's Oak Lip Liner and Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Psychic Medium. And this is the final look. Thank you guys for watching this video and supporting my channel. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos. I hope you guys like this look and want to recreate it. If you guys have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will get back to you. And I hope to see you guys in my next video.